Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will ask the user to give weight in pounds, and then our program will compute the kilograms equivalent using Visual Basic 6. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. I will put a link in the video description later on in our tutorial so that you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, so we have here a form, so we have two labels, enter weights in pounds, and then two text box, and then weight in kilograms, so we have three buttons: compute, clear, and quit. Let us go with the first button, that is compute. So the compute here, we have here if txt text box, the text box 1 here equals space empty, then it will display a message box, cannot be empty, try again, information result. Set pound, set focus, it will go to the text box, the focus. Let's say for example it is empty. When I click the compute, it will display this message box, cannot be empty, try again, click OK. Else it will perform computation. So 1 pound we simply multiply with 0.453592 comma 2 decimal places. So when we run the program here, let's say 1 pound, click compute, we have 0.45 because we have 2 decimal places here, and if using if else statement, so the second button guys is the clear button. So text box dot text, this first text box, second text box, we clear, and then the cursor will go to the first text box, just like this one. When I click this one, it will clear, and then the cursor will go back here, that is the second text box. And then the quit button, we simply we have the end, so when I click the end button, our program will be terminated. Again, let us run. Enter weights in pound, let's say 4.6. when we click compute, we have 2.09. clear. When empty, it will display this dialog box, cannot be empty, try again. Another example, 56.34 compute, we have 25.56 kilograms, clear, and then when we click the quit button, it will terminate. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on kilograms, to pounds to kilograms using Visual Basic 6 by Microsoft Corporation. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my 2 websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much again, and see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.